Last day we have read about Asia. Today we are going to read about the climate and natural vegetation of Asia. Asia, as it have seen, is greatly in the north and south, in east and west. So a large there is effect in the vegetation and wildlife of the continent of the weather. Now there are several factors that affect the climate of a place, of an area. So what are they? They are size and latitude in which it is situated, and what is its size, what is the distance of the places from the sea, what type of relief features, mountains, plateaus are there, and what type of ocean currents are moving around its coast. Now Asia, being the largest continent, it extends from east to west. It also stretches across the torrid temperature, that means hot temperature, and freezing zone in the north, of the earth. Okay, now its interior, many places of the Asian or many countries of Asia is far from the seas. That means being first from the sea, they don't have the influence of maritime weather. These areas experiences either extreme condition of continental climate, and the places those are closer to the coast, they experiences this maritime climate. Most of the mountain ranges of Asia, it extends from east to west direction. So it becomes barriers of the offshore. So moisture bearing winds from south and also prevent the cold winds of the north from penetrating the south. Now the cold Wahyo and the warm Kurashao ocean currents, they affect the temperature of the regions near coastal Japan. As you can understand from the name, now Wahyo is a warm and Kuro is an ocean currents. Wahyo is cold and Kuro is warm ocean currents, which gives a good temperature for the breeding of the fishes, because wherever the warm and cold currents. Now what is this current? These are the waters of the seas which are moving from one place to another. So when warm current and cold current, they come in contact with each other, the breeding of the fishes occur, due to which this seas of Japan is the best fishing grounds of the world, because here planktons can be found which are food of all these fishes also. Okay, now what is the summer condition? Here from April to June, sun rays fall directly on the northern hemisphere. In June, it is overhead the Tropic of Cancer, where most of the continent of Asia is situated, except the northern parts, that is, which is beyond Arctic Circle. In warm, with the average temperature is 32. In fact, world's highest temperature, 71 degree, is being recorded in Iran. Thus, the Lot is a place in Iran. The hot air that blows over the land rises and creates an area of low pressure. There is a high pressure surrounding the seas and oceans. Therefore, there is a movement of warm moisture laden onshore, which is known as monsoon. The wind that comes from the sea to the land. This winds brings heavy rainfall to the places of southern parts of Asia. Countries like India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Laos, Vietnam, China, and some parts of Japan, Mawsim Ram in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in the world. So this much winter condition we will read after. Thank you.